Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Darche Traka 1800 G2 camp table. It folds down into 3 little pieces, making it super handy to stow away and transport when you're traveling. It's got a built-in carry handle as well, which makes that really easy. The topper though, as you can see, has a nice black finish, and it's actually scratch and heat resistant, meaning it's perfect for camping because you can cook on it, you can prepare your food on it, and you're not going to have to worry about damaging it or it breaking. On that, it also has impact resistant corners, so you can be a little bit rough on it while you're out camping, which you would expect from your camp gear. It will seat up to 8 people as well, so great for the family when away. It does pack down nice and flat because, like I mentioned, it folds into 3 pieces, and it's got these little pins here that hold it locked when it's closed. With these quick release legs as well, it does help pack it away nice and flat, but does bring it up to be an actual usable table height while you're camping. And when it is all packed up as well, it does come with a nice canvas zipper carry bag, so it is easy and neat to stow away. And that is the Darche Traka 1800 G2 camp table.